What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. Really excited to bring to you a new video and coming live and direct from the lovely Morocco. I'm in the Ourika mountain, the Atlas mountains I should say. I just had a beautiful waterfall and yeah, I'm quickly going to show you the views of this wonderful beautiful place. But before we do that guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Alright, let me just quickly show you around. Let me pan this around and just show you this lovely place because look at that. So I got a beautiful tour guide here, amazing guy. Look at the views, a little bit of breeze, and this place just had an earthquake of like 7.2, and as you can see guys, the building is still standing. It is dangerous to be here of course, but guys, you need to come here. You need just to come here and see for yourself. This place is so beautiful. This place is so beautiful, and you know, come and help. I mean, me being here, I'm actually here to help and enjoy these beautiful views at the same time. You can see here and there some rocks that fell down, but right, what a view, what a view. I got, whoa, watch out, watch out. That's my mate back there almost fell. Gotta watch these steps going down now. Yeah, these steps are beautiful, beautiful place. Very vast place. We're going all the way down there. Where the tour guide is heading to. Look like this big rock over there. It just came down from up there. Yeah, going down now. See the fresh water. Look at that. Some fresh water.
Say no more, say no more, say no more.
Wow, look at that. You gotta be careful here because look at that. Gotta be careful. Going down the steps. Down the steps. Yeah, all the way down. Yeah, guys, this is the Ourika Atlas. Beautiful Atlas mountain. Beautiful.
And that kind of grab should be sideways.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Totally a beautiful, beautiful place.
Sit back, setting your head up.
Besides the earthquake happening here like a week ago. Going down the steps. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and be kind to one another. Peace.